we're gonna show you technology stuff. By the way, I'm Leanne.
I'm Becca.
You have to talk louder.
I'm Becca. Gosh.
Okay.
Fine.
This is a mouse. You move it around and click on stuff by a computer.
Yay.
This is a... Here, you can do the remote.
It's a remote. You change the channel with it.
And volume.
And volume and
turn it on.
And you turn the TV on and press input and stuff.
This is plugged into the computer, so I don't know how well it's going to work. But this is a keyboard. You type with it. You type stuff. It's cool stuff. Ink from that. This is empty.
This is a ink cartridge.
That
it's
never happened.
empty. That is a chair.
Oops. Oh, I could have used this keyboard.
Ink cartridge. Oh yeah. That's another keyboard. And that's
Ow, stapler.
Stapler, definitely.
Stapler. Staples people's butts with it.
What is this?
It's a remote to our computer.
This is the remote
wait,
to the
no,
computer.
This is stapler. You staple things like this. Ta-da! It's right there. Okay, go on with your computer.
And this is a tissue. Wait, that's
Right.
not technology.
I have a cold.
That's the technology. Can you turn it to the printer or will it turn that far? That's a printer. It prints stuff off the computer. It just turned blue. And that's a Leanne. Whoa. We're so close to it now.
Here, do this.
Oh,
Nice catch.
well done.
Okay. You didn't do it. You're supposed to do this. This is a remote thingy.
This is a remote that controls the computer.
Ow, tape.
Oh gosh.
Tape.
Tape. Never tape your lips. It'll come off well. What are you doing? No! We should probably move a little bit over. This is people and Doritos. The Beatles and Doritos. She's riding something. Fast rider. And if you saw the video, or if you didn't, you should totally see Make a Higa Twilight. If you did see it, comment on this and tell us what you think of it. What's that say? Oh, okay. She says I have to do the rest of the talking. So, we should talk about movies you should see. Oh? Twilight? You should see Twilight. It's a very good movie with Robert Pattinson and Kristen Stewart, and they're like awesome in that movie. Robert Pattinson talks. You should also see Indiana Jones and the Kingdom of the Crystal Skull. Except there's this one part with the ants. We saw it together. It's like ew, ew, gross. What's another movie? Okay. This is Paul McCartney and the other ones. Bye.